That ruling comes just hours after same-sex couples tied the knot in Jackson County, Missouri. This after a judge ruled the state's ban unconstitutional. KSHB was there as the first couple said, "I do."
Krista, John Kenny Rodrigues and Robert Glenn came to the courthouse this morning not really knowing what to expect. They ended up making history and walked out of here a married couple. The news of Missouri dropping the ban against same-sex marriages had John Kenny Rodrigues and Robert Glenn seeking to solidify their nearly 8-year-long relationship.
We woke up and were like, hey, this is happening. Let's go do this.
They got in line at the Recorder of Deeds office at 10 in the morning, only to receive bad news.
We wouldn't be able to get a marriage license. We said we were going to stay here and we weren't leaving without one.
3.5 hours later, the recorder granted the first ever same-sex marriage license in Jackson County. They celebrated with a few pictures, but didn't waste any time.
We're going to go upstairs and they've got a judge upstairs ready to marry us.
Retired Judge Vernon Scoville spent 22 years on the bench for Jackson County and agreed to conduct the ceremony.
I accept this ring.
I accept this ring.
And I marry you.
And I marry you.
And I pledge to you.
And I pledge to you.
Forever.
Forever.
My faithfulness.
My faithfulness.
Overturning the ban on gay marriage,
I pronounce you husband and husband.
They feel is a huge step for the state of Missouri.
We will see all couples, whether they're straight or gay, benefit from this. It's going to give marriage a new definition and it's going to it just makes marriage more valuable for everyone.
Now, the couple was pretty surprised when they got the license because they weren't sure if the county would issue it because Attorney General Chris Koster is submitting an appeal. And coming up at 6 o'clock, I'll explain how they were able to still get the license despite the appeal. That's coming up in about an hour. For now, live downtown, KSHB 41 Action News.